The good old days.
Grandad, when you were a boy, did you have television?
Of course we had television. But it wasn't a colour TV like now. It was black and white.
And were there lots and lots of channels? How many TV channels were there?
Only 2, but that was enough. We loved it. And there weren't programmes all day long. Nothing in the morning and nothing in the afternoon.
Oh, no! What time did programmes begin?
At 4:30, when children's TV started, there were some great programmes for us children, I can tell you. We had real stories in those days.
Did your mum and dad give you pocket money?
Yes, but I worked for it. I cleaned the kitchen and did the washing up. We didn't have dishwashers in those days.
Oh, that's terrible! How much pocket money did you get?
My dad gave me 6pence a week. That's 2.5p these days. He didn't give me much, did he? But we bought comics and sweets.
What sort of comics did you buy?
Well, I bought a comic called The Eagle, and it was full of adventure stories. And Superman. That was really exciting.
Wow. Did you have holidays?
Yes, but not like nowadays. People didn't go abroad. I never took a plane like people do now. It was too expensive.
Where did you go on holiday?
To the seaside, in England.
How did you get there?
My father drove. We had a Ford car. A Ford Prefect it was. We went to the same place every year.
Why did you go to the same place? Why didn't you go somewhere different?
Because we all liked it there.
Oh, I'm pleased I wasn't alive then. It sounds really boring.
Oh, no. That's where you're wrong. It was the best fun ever.
1,
Where did you go?
To the shops.
2,
When did you go?
Yesterday.
3,
Who did you go with?
A friend from work.
4,
How did you get there?
By bus.
5,
Why did you go?
Because I wanted to.
6,
What did you buy?
A shirt.
7,
How many did you buy?
Only one.
8,
How much did you pay?
£29.
Who's a fussy eater?
Oh, good. We have some tomatoes.
Sorry, Nick. I don't like them.
Come on, Duncan. Tomatoes are good for you. I didn't like them much when I was a child, but I love them now.
I didn't like a lot of things when I was a kid.
Ah, you were a fussy eater. What didn't you like?
I didn't like any green vegetables.
Did you like any vegetables at all?
Only potatoes. I love chips.
What about fruit? Did you like fruit?
I liked some fruit, but not all. I didn't like bananas. I liked fruit juice. I drank a lot of apple juice.
And now you drink beer and wine.
Yeah. And coffee. But I didn't like coffee or tea when I was a kid.
So, what were your favourite foods?
I liked ice cream, chocolate, crisps, biscuits, especially chocolate biscuits. I liked all the usual things kids like.
All the unhealthy things.
I like pasta too. Pasta with tomato sauce. Oh, I love that.
Tomato sauce? But you don't like tomatoes.
Tomato sauce is different. Hey, let's not eat in tonight. Let's go out to Romano's.
Romano's. A great idea. It's my favourite Italian restaurant.
1,
Excuse me, are you ready to order?
Yes, I'd like a steak, please.
2,
Would you like a sandwich?
No thanks, I'm not hungry.
3,
Do you like Ella?
Yes, she's very nice.
4,
Would you like a cold drink?
Yes, please. Do you have any apple juice?
5,
Can I help you?
Yes, I'd like some stamps, please.
6,
What sports do you do?
Well, I like skiing very much.
1,
What kind of wine do you like?
I like French wine, especially red wine.
2,
Would you like a cheese and ham sandwich?
Just cheese, please. I don't like ham.
3,
Who's your favourite author? I like books by Patricia Cornwell.
4,
What do you want for your birthday?
I'd like a new computer.
5,
Do you have any pets?
No, but I'd like a dog.
6,
Do you want some ice cream for dessert?
No thanks, I don't like ice cream.
eating in.
This recipe for cottage pie looks easy.
But I can't cook at all.
Don't worry, I really like cooking. Now, vegetables. Do we have any onions? Are there any carrots or potatoes?
Well, there are some onions, but there aren't any carrots, and we don't have many potatoes. How many do we need?
4 big ones.
OK, put potatoes on your list.
And how many tomatoes are there?
Only 2 small ones. Put them on the list too.
How much milk is there?
There's a lot, but there isn't much cheese or butter.
OK, cheese and butter. What about herbs? Do we have any thyme?
Yeah, that's fine. But don't forget the minced beef. How much do we need?
500 grams. Now, is that everything?
I think so. Do we have oil? Oh, yeah. No, there's some left in the bottle.
OK. First shopping, then I'll give you a cooking lesson.
Oh, I'd like that. I hope the girls like cottage pie.
Everyone likes cottage pie.
Much or many? 1,
How much toast would you like?
Just one slice, please.
2,
How much yoghurt do we have left?
Not a lot. Just 1 strawberry and 1 raspberry.
3,
How many people were at the wedding?
About 150.
4,
How much money do you have in your pocket?
Just 50p.
5,
How much petrol is there in the car?
It's full.
6,
How many children does your brother have?
2, a boy and a girl.
7,
How many days is it until your birthday?
It's tomorrow.
8,
How much time do you need for this exercise?
2 more minutes.
shopping in the high street. 1,
I'd like some batteries, please.
What sort do you want?
AA, please.
Would you like a packet of 4 or 6?
6 is too many. 4 is enough.
Anything else?
That's all, thanks.
2,
Can I have some toothpaste, please?
Small or large?
Well, the large is too big. The small is fine.
Anything else?
No, thanks. How much is that?
3,
I'm looking for a nice pen.
What about this one? It's £25.
No, that's too much. I don't want to spend that much.
Well, this one is £12.
That's better. And I need some pencils as well.
There are 10 pencils in this packet.
But I only want 2.
I'm afraid I only have packets of 10. Sorry.
a Parisian in London.
Hello, Chantal.
Hi.
Now, you're French, but you live in London, is that right?
Yes, that's right.
And are you on your own here in London?
No. I'm here with my husband, André.
Ah, OK. Do you work in London?
Yes, I do. I've got a good job. I work in a bank.
And where do you live in London? Have you got a flat?
Yes, we've got a nice flat in Camden.
Oh, great. Has Andre got a job?
Yes, he has. He's got a shop in Camden. He sells French cheese.
Wow, that's good. And tell me, have you got a car here?
No, I haven't got a car. I go everywhere on public transport. It's much easier.
OK, thank you very much. I hope you enjoy your stay here.